Take it away.
Today we are learning about birds. All birds can fly. Some birds can swim. I've seen lots of birds. I like sparrows. Which birds do you like?
Robins.
Oh, I like the color red. Robins are red. Red robins. Would you like to be a seabird or a land bird?
Seabird sounds fun. How about you?
I would like to be a desert bird, like a road runner. Which state would you like to be in if you were a bird?
Arizona?
I would like to be in San Francisco.
Ooh, that's California.
Oh yeah, I didn't know that. A crow might pick me up for a snack. I'm going down.
Yay! Bravo! Very cool.
Yes.